In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering pines lived a peculiar little fox named Felix. Unlike other foxes, Felix was known for his insatiable curiosity and his collection of strange artifacts he found during his nightly excursions. The villagers often spoke of Felix and his antics, sharing stories over warm cups of tea and crackling fires. One misty evening, as the village lay silent under a cloak of fog, Felix stumbled upon an ancient dusty tome buried beneath a pile of autumn leaves in the old woods. The book was adorned with mystical symbols and seemed to pulsate with an energy that beckoned him to explore its pages. Without a second thought, Felix carefully carried the tome back to his den. Once home, Felix pried the book open with his delicate paws. Inside, he discovered maps of places long forgotten and stories about adventures from eras past. But it was a particular page that caught his eye. A legend of a hidden realm, said to be filled with untold treasures and unimaginable wonders, accessible only to those brave enough to follow the path outlined in the book. Felix felt a thrill of excitement. He knew he had to embark on this journey. As dawn painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, Felix set out with the book as his guide. His journey took him through tangled forests, across gleaming rivers, and over treacherous mountains. Along the way, Felix met an array of companions. A wise old owl named Alara, who offered guidance with her vast knowledge of the stars. A cheerful rabbit called Thistle, who offered humor and kept spirits high during difficult times. And a mysterious cat named Nyx, whose enigmatic presence was both comforting and unsettling. Together, they faced challenges that tested their courage and resolve. They deciphered riddles hidden within the book, outwitted cunning foes, and uncovered secrets that had been buried in time. Their camaraderie grew strong, fueled by their shared goal and the enchantment of the world around them. As they approached the final leg of their journey, the page within the tome, which was once general directions, started to reveal a map, glowing with magic. Following it led them to a hidden glade, shimmering with ethereal light. Felix and his friends stood in awe, having discovered the realm that transcended anything their imagination had conjured. In that moment, Felix realized that the true treasure was not the tangible riches or fantastical wonders they found, but the journey itself and the friendships he had forged along the way. With his heart brimming with gratitude and joy, Felix knew he would forever cherish this adventure that began with a single, curious step amidst the fallen leaves of the village woods.